to the Screenflow review. I have been using this software for 2 years to create in-house tutorials and will now share my opinions with you. It is a very easy to use and intuitive software that will allow you to create content quickly and without issues. To start off, I will show you some of the basics of the software and then bring up some negatives and some positives that I have found. So let's jump into the program. When we stop recording, like I just did, this is gonna pop up. This is our Screenflow working area. I can drag and drop the timeline to make it smaller or bigger. And we can select our different media to create different actions. If I would like to add an intro or additional media, I can go up to the right corner and into my media library and simply press add media. I here can find my intro that is pre-made and open it to include it in this project. To add the media, I simply drag this away so I make some room, and then I can drag and drop this down. I can simply arrange this and they will snap on. I now have my intro added and this part with my created media. If I want to have a transition, I can simply drag this over and a transition is created. Easy as that. I can select which effect I want to use and I have a bunch to choose from. My transition is now created. In addition to this, we have different tools. We have video actions where we can scale our video and create different motions. We have our audio actions where we can adjust our audio, like I had to do for my intro that was way too loud. I can just bring this down a lot. And there are also more advanced audio options that you can go deeper into in another of our tutorials. In addition to this, we have video motions. We have options for our screen recording where we can scale it and change position of it. I can also just mark it in the software to make it smaller or bigger. Like this. And arrange the position. We also have different callouts. We have cursor actions. We have annotations, so I can create some arrows if I want to point at something. Whoops, sorry. To add it, I have to press plus and have created an annotation. Now I can make different arrows or circle something in. We also have text, so we can of course add text to our media and say something like introduction, to Screenflow. So we have all these basic functions that are really easy to implement and really quick to implement as well. This will make a software that is easy to use, where you can add quick effects like zooming, annotation, text effects, and cursor actions. So my primary use for this is using it for different tutorials and guides, but you can also use it for any content like YouTube videos or something like that. I would recommend to use this software for anyone who is not looking for a premiere project to create a big movie or high quality project using DSLR cameras and really big files. So if you're looking for a software to use for your YouTube videos to quickly create content, I highly recommend this. This was a very quick overview just to give you an idea of this software. If you want to see a more in-depth video, check out our Camtasia versus Screenflow comparison, where we put this software up against its top competitor. I promised to give you some downsides, and for that I would only like to say the Apple limitation, making you unable to share projects across platforms. My top positive with this software is how quickly you can produce quality content with good audio and some cool effects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below and we will answer. If you're interested in this software, the telestream link is provided below as well, so you can get more information and download this software today. Thank you for watching.